Okay, I actually kind of love this outfit. Black and white, some brown and red. I think this is going to be a good one. Here's the outfit. I have had these corduroy pants so long and they're so worn out. I just can't quit them. They just find their way back into my closet every time I try to throw them away. Do you have clothes like that? Anyway, I guess they're here to stay. And normally I just wear them gardening or something, but I really like how this turned out. I don't think I would change a single thing. So the only thing I added was this other little ring. Roll with that one. Um, and that ring was not even in my clothing app, so that is not Jaime's fault. I'm going to declare Jaime the winner of this outfit because I didn't change anything. Even though, was I even high when I made this? This is a good outfit. I don't know. But yeah, I think I would wear this to go on a little adventure by myself. Maybe I'll end up at a thrift store. Maybe I'll end up in a forest or become a pirate. Anything could happen. Post in the comments where you would wear this. And thanks for watching.